Okay, hi. This is a video of the do-it-yourself cheap document camera that I made. Pretty excited about the way it turned out. So here's how I went about it. You can see this piece right here, this chrome piece. I went to the Goodwill store and got it for $2.99. It was actually attached to this lamp, or this lamp was on it, like that. You can see. And so I just cut this thing off. I unthreaded the wire that went through there. And then what's funny is the way this thing is attached. See how this is round? It actually attached, like that. Okay. So there's this little hinge part, this black curved hinge part. And so I had to figure out a way how to attach my camera to this arm. So I had, after experimenting with some junk laying around, there was some PVC pipe, which I had to, kind of nasty, but I had to clean it out. And then I spray painted it black so it looks decent. And then screwed that onto the already existing hinge that came off of this lamp. So I guess the diameter of this lamp is probably the same diameter of the PVC pipe. So anyway, and then on the other end of the PVC pipe, I drilled a small hole to put this bolt. And this bolt and the threads match exactly the standardized hole that all cameras, have when you try to put them on a tripod. So I can literally screw any, right now I've got my current document camera, document cam on there, which I got on sale. I'm pretty excited. It's upside down. That's my dog. Anyway, there's the brand name of the camera. But it's really a nice camera. I got it on sale. It's like 79 bucks. I got it on sale for 19 bucks. I think it's because it's like last year's model or something. But anyway, goes all the way up to like 3,400 something X, some other big number resolution. But I just use the 1080. It's like 1900 something by 1080 resolution. But anyway, so this lamp, I had to get this. I don't know if you can tell, this is just a block of wood, a 2x6 block of wood. I painted it black so it looks decent from a distance, and drilled a small hole right there so that it would, just stabilize the arm so it doesn't move. I can swivel it, but there's no need to. Since it's desktop, I just turn it like this. And then what else? Oh, so I was, instead of threading the wire through this square hollow piece of the arm, I couldn't get it to go through, but it still stays pretty snugly along, or follows the arm. And then, oh yeah, I had this extra piece of tube. I'm real big on not spending money. So anyway, I had this extra piece of tube laying around, and so I cut a slit down there so that'll hold the black wire against here. So that way it's kind of, nice and tight. I don't like having all those extra wires hanging around. So total cost, let's see, 19 bucks for the webcam, but I'm really featuring the do-it-yourself stand. So this thing cost me $2.99 at Goodwill. Actually, it was red sticker day, so if you buy it on the color day, you get 50% off. So I paid $1.50 for the arm. Let's see, the block of wood got out of my wood pile, tube got out of my junk pile, PVC pipe, again, out of my junk pile. So everything else was free. So compared to some of those, I was looking at some of those document cameras, man, they went up to like 70, 80 bucks, even more. But so I'm pretty excited. And the cam itself was only 19 bucks. And of course it, it extends like that. And in order for me to actually use it, you pull this up. I keep it in the down position because it's just easier to store. And then there's the document cam. I can pull it in and out like that. And then, this, of course, will swivel, tilt, or whatever. But, as I'm teaching, I just set it to one position, and then I'm set. So maybe I'll actually give a sample. I mean, I'm just featuring the do-it-yourself arm, not so much the cam. Because like I said, since I've got this screw bolt here, I can, put any cam I want on this thing. So hope this helps give some of you folks some ideas to save a few bucks to make your own do-it-yourself doc cam stand.